she sticks the landing.
These expectations, they keep weighing me down.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Maryelin and your girl's back. I have not sat down to film in such a long time, and I thought, why not film a get ready with me EDC inspired, you know? My sister won tickets to go to EDC and she decided to take me. I don't know why. But yeah, we're currently in a rush, so this is the look that I did for today's video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I love you guys. Let's just put a star right here. We'll do a star here and then a moon here, right? I don't even know what these are called. They're like metallic tattoos, I guess. Your girl is last minute going to EDC because my sister won like some tickets on the radio to go to EDC and she's taking me. Okay, I'm using the Smashbox photo finish. Perfect. Can I take this off? She's cute. Okay. They're f***ing uneven. It was on purpose. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. She looks good, right? If I'm being quiet, it's because Melissa's rushing me. If this comes out looking like a 5 instead of an 8, I'm not posting. It's so hot.
It's so hot.
Because of you.
Because of me.
So now I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape to prime my eyes. And I put a lot because today is going to be a colorful look and we want our look to pop out. Huh? What? I'm gonna be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil, and I'm gonna be starting, I guess, with this pink since it's like the lightest one. Well, no, this one. Let's mix them. We're gonna start by putting that pink all over underneath our brow bone, pretty much. This is my first time going to a music festival, you guys. I think I'm gonna mix this color and this color and then apply that underneath that pink shade just so that we can deepen it up a little. We're gonna jump into purple. Let's see how this one looks. We're gonna take that purple and then we're gonna take this purple. So I want to deepen that up a little bit more, so we're gonna take that color right there, even though I'm gonna regret it. Actually, that doesn't look that bad. Okay. What are you doing, bro? You can't open my concealer. Look at it. Ooh. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. So this glitter is old as hell. It's called Loose Eye Dust Shiny Gold. No brand, no. New York colors. Made in Dolphin Mall, Miami, Florida. Okay, so I'm gonna prime my eyes with my NYX Glitter Glue Primer. And then we're gonna do pretty much a basic half cut crease. We're gonna go ahead and apply that gold. And then I'm gonna just do the same thing to the other eye. For foundation, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Longwear Matte Foundation. And the thing about these metallic stickers is that you have to put them down before you put anything else on your skin, because if not, they won't stick. Because your skin is technically going to be dirty. So now there's another issue we have to get by. We have to go all around the sticker. Dude, I love how I'm still sick, but I'm choosing the life of the party over my own health.
You're sick all the time.
And I'm sick all the time. Dude, literally. Like my aunt once said, I get 2 colds a year and each one lasts 6 months. Melissa's dancing to the beat of the fan. And for concealer, I'm just gonna dot the tiniest amount because that might get covered in a bit. So it doesn't matter, we have bags. Now, let's set our eyes, underneath our eyes. So now that I'm done setting my face, I'm gonna bronze using Lisa Frank Glamour Dolls Bitten in Bronze Matte Bronzer. Okay, so I'm bronzing my forehead because your girl has a big forehead, so she's trying to make it look a little bit smaller. It's not working. And then for highlight, we're gonna use the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlight that Melissa gave me for my birthday like 2 years ago.
Finally, you're using that shit.
Every time I use it, she tells me the same thing. That's a joke. I use it a lot. And every time I pull it out, she's like, finally you're using it. I'm like, girl, I use this so much.
No, I hate that. You're gonna make me do it. Please,
I do. Girl, bye. And then we're gonna highlight the inner corner. That's a lot of highlight. Ooh. For my lips, I'm using the Tarteist lip paint in the shade Delish. I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna be putting the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I'm gonna jump into the Take Me Back to Brazil again, and I'm gonna mix the purples and the. I'm gonna take some black eyeliner, which I'm trying to run out of, which never runs out. And I'm just gonna place that right on the outer edge of my eye, not even all over, just on the outer edge. I should do lashes. So, let's add a few of the dots, right? Yep, even. Now I gotta put some lash glue to make sure that they don't fall off. Even? Yeah. Even. Poquito. I'm gonna put some mascara to finish my eyes. Okay, so I'm done with my face. I'm gonna go ahead and change. This is EDC. We're EDC ready.
Thank you.
So we're ready to go. This is the final look, you know, for the both of us. Hers took like 30 minutes? 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
Mine took 2 hours.
In a rush.
In a rush. But yeah, this is all for today's video. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.